Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am presenting to you my April 2019 Mini Kit Monday kit. And I went through some of my older collections and I'm just trying to use them up. It's a good thing because this month we have 5 Mondays. So I'm going to try to get 5 layouts done. So wish me luck. Let me show you what I've pulled. So I am going to use, this is Stargazer. It's by Dear Lizzie. I have several sheets here. I think I got it in a click kit and I got it in another kit. So I used it up once and now I'm going to use it again. So this is called Find Joy. And I do like the frames here. And then this is the other side. I'm not sure which side I'm going to use, but we'll go with this. And then this one is called Fresh Picked. I do like the lemons. I am not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to pull some photos before I do the pages because, to be honest with you, the way I usually do it is I pull the paper and then I find the photo. So that's usually my technique. There's the opposite side. It's kind of a purpley floral. And then there is this one. It's called Woodland Wonder. I don't like this. I don't like this page at all. It's very pretty, don't get me wrong, but I could never use anything like that. So this is the winner. I will be using that. And then this isn't a full sheet, but it's called Saturday. And yeah, I'm not a big, 3x4 card person. I have used them before. I just don't see myself using any of those. So more than likely, I'll be using that. Here is another partial sheet. This is Marigold Merriment. I love this. And then that is the opposite side. Now, I'm pretty sure this is, for some reason, this is saying Fancy Pants. I could be wrong. Here is the opposite. You know what? It could be crepe paper. I really don't know. It just happened to be in the packet with my other papers. So I will leave that. And this one is Little Things. It's stuff from the Stargazer. I love that. And I do have some... I do have some smaller pieces of that. Speaking of smaller pieces, I have this in there. I have a little piece of the marigold. And then there's this one. I have like a 12 by or 4 by 12. I don't even know what this one is called. Not a big fan of the clocks. So probably, and I love orange. So I'm good there. Here's another piece. Let me get this in front because I'm going to show you what embellishments I have. I know that these have been open, as you can tell, but it's pretty compact. This is the Stargazer, the embellishment set, and I don't know what I've used of that, but I have quite a bit in there, so I'm hoping to use a lot of those. I'll show you. So here is the flare. So I must have already used the one. So I have these 7, and for some reason I have 4 more. So I have plenty of flare to play with. If I don't use this up, I am going to put them with the rest of my flares, or I don't know what I'm going to do. And then as an oddball, I had this, and for some reason I thought that this would go with this. I don't know if it will. They're clear stickers. I'm pretty sure this is Chamel. I don't know. We'll just see. I'm just going to put it with this. And like I mentioned at the end of my March, I am pulling in the white flowers and the wood veneer and even the one that I had painted. So I'm going to add these as well. I'm probably going to add some more embellishments because I don't think this is going to be enough. But to be honest with you, I don't even know what's going to go. It may be cut files. It may be, the art crayons, backgrounds. I know that I will have enough to keep me busy for 5 weeks. I think this is maybe not the embellishments, but the papers for sure. Now make sure that you follow the other ladies that are part of the Mini Kit Monday. You know, the month of April. Today we are starting our Facebook page, and every month we're going to have, it's not necessarily a challenge, but an inspiration. So this month we are using the page maps sketches, and so make sure that you look at our Facebook page, and every month you'll be able to see what the, not the challenge, but the inspiration. I know that there's a mood board coming up, and there'll be other things that people are suggesting to help you make your kit and to use it up, and I would love to see what you guys do. All right, I think I'm done here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm just kind of rambling now. But I look forward to seeing what your kits are going to look like, and make sure you follow the other ladies that are part of the team. And I've left, links to their channels. Make sure you subscribe to them. Make sure you hit the bell. That way you can see all the videos. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.